Today I'm making a short video. It's an update to a video I made previously on how to see all of your, all of your current returns. If you click on returns and orders over here, it won't tell you all of your returns. It just shows you all of your current orders. And then from there you could try to look for your returns. It's not easy at all. There is no tab to just show all returns. So instead, there's another method that's not very intuitive. Scroll to the very bottom of, I think, pretty much any Amazon page. At the very bottom, you should see something that says returns and replacements. Click on this link. It'll take you to the returns page. And on the top right over here is manage returns. And it is similar to what my other video showed. You just click on view your returns. And finally, you'll get to a page that shows you a list of your returns for the past 2 months. And then you can do whatever you want from here. This is pretty useful, I think, but I'm not sure why they don't show a page like this where it just shows you returns and their status. So again, from the main page, scroll to the very bottom of Prime to get to this link, returns and replacements. Then when it loads the next page, look for manage returns on the top right and click on view your returns. And finally, you'll have returns that are displayed for the past 2 months. Someone had asked if there's a way to look for returns longer than 2 months. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem that you can edit the URL so that you can search for returns longer than 2 months. I totally understand, because what if you just want to see all the returns you made in the past year? But sadly, you'll have to make it you have to do it through the main order list page, which is not easy at all. So that's it. Just wanted to show this thing because someone had asked about it, and a lot of people had commented that my older video was kind of outdated because you can't go through that method. So that's it.